Hello, my Gemini Cancer cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Weave Rattle family. Apologies for outside noise interference or flash on the cards that could disturb your eyes, and because this will be a collective reading, for a few it may resonate, for a few it may not. If this reading resonates with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So, apologies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. We begin with flowering. We are the world. Hello. The Fool. In a voice, darlings, the first 10 days are going to be super awesome. Okay, you only have to follow your gut feeling. That's it. There's nothing else you need to worry. Finance is coming towards you. You can expect somebody offering you love or some proposal. Okay, could be on collaboration on work basis as well. You could meet somebody when you're traveling, and you could have a good time. Finance flow is there. Stay grounded. Share your wisdom. A happy family time. Okay, reconciliation with lost ones, pregnancy, adoption. So ideally everything is coming nice. The first 10 days are going to be super amazing. Just listen to your inner conscious. Okay, the gut feeling will give you some signs, probably to take a decision, to go ahead or no, whatever it is. Your inner conscious will give you some guidance. That is a mantra for you for the first 10 days. Rest, everything seems to be good. See, you can see the crescent moon and crescent moon. So, something related to emotions. Okay. Now, let's come to the mid 10 days. That will be from the 11th to the 20th. And let's see these two. We have slowing down, sorrow, awareness, and beyond illusion. So, sorrow and beyond illusion is trying to say that there is a part of you which is not ready to accept. You feel you have been through a lot, and maybe people are not valuing you, or probably you feel there is no outlet. Maybe there seems to be some bubble burst happening in the mid 10 days. Okay, so something that you had imagined is not turning the way it should have. Maybe that's where the reality must have hit you, or the reality might hit you. So this is what universe is trying to say, that please go slow, take baby steps. Finance is coming to you. You have to keep moving ahead. Sometimes it's best to introspect. So whatever the first 10 days have been super amazing, in the mid 10 days you need to introspect, pause, take a breath. Okay, pause, reflect, and then take a decision. Don't rush into it. Probably you could be angry for some reasons, and maybe this is what universe is trying to say, go slow. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. Let's see what can we have for you. Okay, so we'll take this one, we'll take these two. Can I have one more piece? Let's take this. So we begin with participation. So this was the bottom of the deck, okay, for the first 10 days. The next we have is exhaustion, change, celebration. Darlings, if you have been seeking for some me time, there is a possibility you might go out with your friends, and you will have a good time. There could be some, you might just end up having some plans like overnight stay or some 2-3 days kind of a stay. Okay, so whatever it is, that will help you feel rejuvenated. Maybe you're exhausted mentally, physically, it's best to listen to your body. It's best to go out. Participation, change and celebration, marriage, commitments, happiness, full circle, something good is coming. Okay, so in the last 10 days, definitely some happy news is coming, but it is also trying to say unwind. Unwind is the word for you in the last 10 days. So listen to your body. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you. Angels and spirit guides, guidance please. Beautiful. There is nothing to worry about. Again, if you can see, we have the crescent moon, which is playing a very important role. We have the world. So if you see, pigeons or doves, they are considered to be messengers, right, in the olden days. And your angels are telling you, why are you scared? What is it that you want? Let us know. We will try to work behind the scenes for you. Don't get panic, okay? If it is something meant to happen, it will happen. If it is not, it won't. So stop worrying and start being happy. Now let's come to your love energies. Okay, let's take this one, and can I have one more? Let's take this. So we have the sword and rose and axe. Both are trying to say that first gain clarity. Do not, whatever the situation is, okay, or even if it could be a separation, stop giving some silent treatment. Gain clarity. Don't be extremely possessive, okay. What is your fear? Face it. Maybe that is what your relationship will demand, okay, in this month. Now let's ask universe, what's next for you, or what's specific coming up for you in this month. Beautiful. Pathway. You always have a choice. Decide where do you wish to go, the left or the right. Left could be a shortcut, and right could be a law, patience, being tested kind of a path. So whatever you have a choice. That's the reason universe is reminding you every now and then, listen to your gut feeling. So how should I sum up this month? Listen to your gut feeling because the minute you listen, everything starts falling into places. Finance is coming, travel is there. There could be a possibility of separation or heartbreaks, because that's what your love energies are saying. But universe is, rather your angels are reminding you that stop worrying. Okay, whatever issues you have, you give it to us, and you need to listen to your body, because that's how we are trying to give you those signals. You have a choice, make a wise choice. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.